Hello, welcome. Thanks for joining me. Today we're looking at a quick mount of the engine into the frame, purely to see one, what it looks like, and two, how it will affect the mounts for the fairing. There's one tube which goes across the frame. I need to avoid the carburettor, so although I haven't got a carburettor yet, I can keep well away from it by positioning the engine in its normal position and then seeing where the fairing mounts are going to go. So that's the task. Let's have a look at the photos. Engine mount, engine mount, engine mount.